Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you haven't visited before, just search for King Piers LLC. And while you're there, we'd really appreciate if you left a like and a subscribe. We are back out in Independence, Missouri. We are currently getting everything situated on top of our new bulkhead walls, on top of the existing brick walls, where we are going to be pouring flat concrete, just really making this look nice. You can already see a small section right here on the corner of this wall. We're going to essentially continue that to the back of the walls here. So we're just getting everything in place right now, getting all the loose dirt behind our new bulkhead walls situated. We're also getting our initial forms in place. We're going to pour the new basement floor in sections. So we've already got new concrete footings for the support beams. So everything looks really nice there. We have excavated a ton of dirt out of this basement, not only to be able to get the forms for our bulkhead walls in place, but for making sure this floor is at the proper height once we get it poured. So once the forms are in place, we'll make sure everything is thoroughly compacted, get some gravel in here, and really get this part knocked out. But today we're going to be doing a tiny bit of concrete, just getting the tops of these walls smoothed out, looking really good with concrete. Again, just to go over kind of what's remaining on this project. Throughout the basement, you can see there's gaps in the brick, loose mortar, tuck point. We're going to get all of this cleaned up, really make sure that everything is tuck pointed, looking as nice and neat as we can possibly make it throughout the basement. Not just the walls, but the brick right here in the center as well. We're also going to tuck point the stone around the entrance to the cellar here. And then once all of that is done, we're going to have a clear sealant that we're going to spray over all the walls, all the brick, really make this look nice down here. So we're getting a lot closer to finishing up everything. We may be able to have it done by the end of this week, but for sure by the first half of next week. So stay tuned for more updates. Again, we're going to go over the top of the walls with concrete today, continue to get everything ready on the floor. We still have to break up a little bit of concrete here. We're going to leave the areas that are solid really in place. All the loose bits are going to be removed, and then we'll get those the second section of the floor done after that. Later this week, we're going to get forms set up, and through the same opening that we used for the bulkhead wall, we're going to fill in this whole area with solid, high-strength concrete where all the pre-existing brick is falling out. So that's going to be the last pour that we do. So again, stay tuned for more updates. You can find those on our YouTube and Facebook channels if you just search for King Piers LLC. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. And don't forget, you can always call us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.